Sanibonani babukeli ngasemakhaya. Sithanda ukuthi sinibingelele siphinde sinamukele kuphinda kuphi nesibukeleni khona njengamanje. Kanti-ke nisibamba lapha ku-channel likazwelonke iBantu TV 1. Mbukeli, sicela usheshe sikucacisele ukuthi udaba esikuphathele lona namhlanje udaba lolu olu very sensitive, uzozwela kakhulu mekuthi ngumuntu ovela esheshe azwele ngoba udaba lolu olubuhlungu kakhulu kubantu abaningi asebelizwileke nokho kodwa esingakazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzakaleni. Njengoba besizwile ukuthi ngesonto elidlule kuye kwabakhona isigameko esenzekayo senzeka laphana kwi-political member yeqembu lezombusaso elidume kakhulu uMK Party. Sikhuluma lapha ngoThulani Shongwe oyimember yeMK aphinde futhi abe yilunga elimele iMK kumacala aqulwayo kulezi inkantolo ezinkulu ezivuliwe sibala khona o-ad hoc committee sibale iMadlanga Commission. uThulani Shongwe uyingxenye ke yokuqulwa kwalamacala aqulwa. Sikhuluma lapha ngamacala amakhulu high profile cases athinta ama-politician nosomabhizinisi esibala khona oBhekicele, oSenzo Mchunu, oKhethi Matlala, oBrand Mohorotsi. uThulani Shongwe sizwileke ukuthi mekuthi bungakezwa nansi indaba sakutshela ngesonto eledlule kuvele ukuthi ubanjwe inkunzi lezi izindaba eziqinisekiswe uSABC ubanjwe inkunzi nabantu abangaziwa baze bamkidnapper ngenhlanhla ugcine ephunulileke wakwazi ukuthi aye epolice station. Nantoko udaba uThulani Shongwe unpack ukuthi ngabe kwenza kuyini kwenzakaleni obana bambambe kunzi nje usinde kanjani na uyasikhulumela ke la engifuna siqale khona. Uzokhumbula mbukela ukuthi uThulani Shongwe ebanjwa inkunzi ngisheshe ngicacisela ukuthi ubanjwe ngelanga lokuthi ngakusasa kumele aye kwi-ad hoc committee lapho khona ekumele kuyoqulwa icala noma izinsolo ezibekwe uKhethi Matlala ongusomabhizinisi ohlobene noma oxhunaniswa noxhaxha lwamacala asolwa ngawo. uThulani Shongwe ubekade ngakusasa noma ngosuku la ngakusasa njoba ebanjwe kunzi nje ekumele aye lapha enkantolo kwi-head hoc. Nangempela ke uyile kodwa ke abantu abaningi banothisile ukuthi uThulani Shongwe bengesiye lo kaShongwe esimaziyo ngoba ubenikezwe isikhathi esingango-30 minutes ukuthi akwazi ukubuza uKhethi Matlala imibuzo ezoveza ukuthi uKhethi Matlala ngabe izinsolo abekwe zona uhlobene nazo impela noma cha akuhlobani uma ngabe ephendula imibuzo enikeza izimpendulo zemibuzo. uThulani Shongwe uvele wasebenzisa mhlawumbe u10 minutes ya 15 minutes wesikhathi kade sinikiwe wasidlulisela kumalema kangangokuthi akujwayelekile. Abantu abaningi ke babe nokungabaza indlela uThulani Shongwe asebenze ngayo basho lokho nalokho kanti vele ubeye lapha ewumuntu engekho right esimeni sokuthi angayoqhuba lo wamsebenzi njengoba ngayizolwe kade ebhekene nalo buyabunzima kade ebhekene nabo. Ngisacela ke mbukele ukuthi sikunikeze ithuba ulalele yona ingwenya izikhulumele ukuthi ngabe kwenzakaleni njengoba esho ukuthi abantu ababembamba inkunzi baze bambiza ngegama besho ukuthi wena uthwalisa abantu umzima lapho babuza imibuzo enzima uyithatha phela imibuzo yakho bembiza ngegama uShongwe besho ukuthi nathi ke ndoda nje ubusukwenza umsebenzi wakho lapha nathi siyeke ndoda senze umsebenzi wethu wena vala umlomo zikhali zakhala ke nangempela kodwa ke nansi ingwenya izikhulumela.
Sanibonani ma-South Africans. Igama lami nguThulani Shongwe, Member of Parliament, deployed by Umkhonto weSizwe under the leadership of President Jacob Zuma. This is part 1 of my video where I explain what happened to me kule incident engenzakalele. I'll have a part 2 where I will explain how I probed or questioned Mr. Matlala kahle. South Africans ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ngiyayithoba uthando eningibonise lona. Abanye benu bangikhulekele, some of you wrote text, some of you tried calling on the next day of the incident when I started to have a phone. I appreciate kakhulu. Let me explain. I went to eThembisa eHlobeni Zami. And immediately when I stopped, 2 guys came from both sides of the vehicle. They told me to lie down. you know the process. They take me bangifaka emotweni bahamba nami. Endleleni, what amazes me is that one of the guys called me ngegama lami and spoke about umsebenzi wami. Uthi ya ngithi nawe wenza umsebenzi wakho, you ask people questions. Wathatha lama questions. Nathi senza umsebenzi wethu. Siyeke thula shongo. So that happened. But amaphoyisa will deal with that matter. Sebengireleasile, it was in the early AMs. I then went to police station, did the case. When I was done, it was around about 5 a.m. or so, where I went to the hotel where we were kept as members of parliament. I prepared for the next day, which is now dressing up, tried to sleep a bit, I couldn't because of the trauma. Ngavuka-ke, ngahamba ngaya emsebenzini. It was now Thursday where MPs will be questioning Babu Ket Matlala. Now people are asking, why did I go to emsebenzini with kwenzakala leyanto le? Bantu bakithi ngihlala elokishini, ngikhulele eThwathwa East eDaveyton. Ngikhulele eMaphupheni, ngikhulele elokishini elindala ngase stadium, Sinaba Stadium. These things zokubanjwa inkunzi, these things zokuhijackwa, the kidnappings. Elokishini is angeke ku-wrong ukuthi ngisho kanje, kodwa it's normal. Ubanjwa inkunzi kusasa kumele uvuke emsebenzini ngoba uma ungaya emsebenzini ingane ziyodlana. I needed to fulfill my duty engiyithunywe yi-South Africans, South Africans, of questioning and wanting answers from Ubaba Matlala, Ket Matlala. So I went to work. Yes, I did go to work after the incident. I don't regret doing that. It was very difficult because it made me very emotional. Umuntu ongibingelelayo sawubona, ngiyaphila sawubona. But maye ngibuza ukuthi unjani? Hey, inyembezi beyihlala la. Kubhlungu sime ngingasifiseli noma ubani. But thina baselokishini into ehlala ikhona, inhlala yenzeka. This is why I joined the committee of police to say I need to help siqinisa amaphoyisa sibone singasiza kanjani. So in that incident ke kwenzakele ukuthi sithola kusimo sokuthi kumele ngibuze Baba Matlala. I can't lie about it. I wasn't prepared because remember bangithethe ebusuku ngabo 10 bayongikhulula ekseni. So I wasn't prepared kakhulu the way I usually do. But what I want to address in this matter is that from day one, Baba Mkhwanazi, angaze ngambiza general kakhulu. Ngimbiza general lapha nalapha, kodwa ngimbiza Baba Mkhwanazi. Akusukuba soft kuye inhlonipho. Babu Sibiya, General Sibiya, did the very same thing. Akusukuba soft, ukuhlonipha. Babu Nkabinde, same. Angaze ngambiza ngerenk Baba Nkabinde. Hleli ngimbiza Babu Nkabinde. Mom Johnson, I did that as well, ukuhlonipha. Babcele, I did that. Gogo Mary Dihas, I called her ugogo because inhlonipho leyo. That's why ngingaseka maseka umoya ngehla ngahlala phansi because akumelanga ngikhulume nomuntu omdala kabi, be it wenzeni. Now, some people when I spoke isiZulu were like thina kasicabangela uShongwe. So umuzwa kanjani asazi isiZulu, which was fair. Even the chairperson of the committee addressed me. Some people I spoke isiSotho or iSpedi. Not that good ngaso, but I tried. Then some Zulus speaking Xhosa and Swati complained, hey, asibuzwa manje. And I understand. Kok Mary Dihas, I tried speaking Afrikaans to her. She's not an African speaker. I even doubt that she's a South African. So when I spoke to Ket Matlala, I spoke in a Kasi language. So Tsital, which is most spoken to a Gauteng kakhulu. Pretoria, Kandlela, badi Jaja. Maybe, I don't know, in terms of my posture, but I feel ukuthi I tried to be me. Yes, I couldn't be me, but I was very emotional. I don't want to lie. Bengibuhlungu emoyeni bengikhala. Bekunzima bengiye etoilet ngiyosula inyembezi ngibuye. Because uNkulunkulu umphefumulo wami usindisile. Asibonga isigebengu kodwa lezi ngiyayibonga ukuthi azingibulalanga. Ngiyacela futhi singasabulala abantu zibiyeke nobugebengu. ngiyayibonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu nje umphefumulo wami usindisile. South Africans, in most of my videos, this one yaka Khet Matlala is the highest in numbers. But most of those comments, 80 to 90% are very positive. People understand that I'm a person who questions calmly. I use the strategies of Kulma now I give you a safe space. I need us to have what we call safe space where we interact. And I get information. I change the system of Kulma Nabantu, not to Kulma Nomuntu, but one thing I maintain is respect. Remember, I serve under leadership Kababu President Jacob Zuma, who is very strategic, always calm and well-articulated president. UDP, first DP, Judge Klopp, we are umthetho, naye very calm and soft-spoken, but direct. My second DP, a very well experienced comrade, MK veteran, calm, very strict, but that leader has indlela and a precision yokukhuluma nomuntu. Chairperson Natintleko, same, soft-spoken, yahlonipha, gets a point across, and well-experienced in government. Deputy yakhe Babu Mkojo, an MK veteran. Deputy bese kuba Secretary General. Soft, hlale hleke indoda yakhona, got a point across, respect ikhona lapho. Deputy Secretary General, a well-spoken, beautiful lady, well-articulated, soft, hlonipha ikhona lapho. TG, Babu Umpiyake, soft, gets a point across. That's the leadership we serve under. We have head of presidency, Ubab Magasela, strict, yachethisana, corrects on the spot, into yenza wrong, akalinda ukuthi niyele. That's the leadership that keeps us on our toes. They monitor us. So that's the leadership we serve under. So I think I may have maybe not pleased some South Africans where I was not as strong as they wanted me to come across. Kubabu Khet Matlala. Yeah, I think I may agree. I don't recall kahle state of mind, but I was very emotional. But I tried to pull out of that and do my work. People are questioning that. Guys, we don't have that. I don't blame abantu abahlala out of Logish. This thing has happened many times now. I apologize to those and I take the criticism. I will learn from it and try to understand. I also welcome the positive comments that you guys made, which also teaches me as well, what do I need to change and what do I do? But what I always do, I speak to people in Kulmangai. Some say in sarcasm, some say I don't have it, some understand my strategy. But Kumatlala, I needed two things. I needed confirmation of Ucele, how many times he has been in his house. Ucele said twice. Matlala ungvezele more. Ungvezele imali. Metropolitan, the company that Umatlala got a tender for 360. That company got the same tender for 1.9 billion according to Umatlala. So those are information we were looking for and we got them.